Hello everyone, this is Piano Lessons. My name is Ekaterina Afanasieva and this is piano lesson number 4, Basic Chords in C major and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Any song that you will play most likely will have 3 chords, tonic or 1 chord, subdominant or 4 chord, and dominant or 5 chord. Chord is a set of 3 or more notes played at the same time. Tonic chord is also called 1 chord because the base or a root of the chord is located on the 1st degree of a scale. I will show you how any major chord is built on the example of a C major tonic chord. First note, a C, then an E. You have 4 half steps in between. 1, 2, 3, and 4, or 3 notes, 1, 2, 3, in between. And this interval between notes is called a major third. It is a third note from C. 1, 2, 3, major third. Then after E, the next note will be G. You have 3 half steps in between. 1, 2, 3, or 2 notes. 1, 2 in between E and G. This interval is called a minor third. It is a third note from E. 1, 2, 3. That's why it is a third as well, but minor. These 2 intervals are both intervals of a third, this and this, but one is major and one is minor. If we go by sounds, you can hear that major interval sounds happy, minor interval sounds sad. Once again, major, happy, minor. Or an example of a major and minor thirds from the same note, from C. This is major, and this is minor. Major happy, minor sad. Major, minor. So here we have a tonic chord, C, E, G. It is also called a C major chord because the root of that chord is C. Let's play it with 2 hands. Left hand will play same chord but just 1 octave lower. C, E, G, C, E, G. 3 notes at the same time. We use fingers. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5, or 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Next chord, subdominant or a 4 chord, will continue in C major. So 4 chord is located on the 4th degree of a C major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and F. Because it is also a major chord, it has the same structure as tonic chord, with major third and then a minor third. F, A, C. F major chord. Between F and A, you have an interval of major third, and between A and C, you have an interval of a minor third. Major, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps, or just 3 notes in between a 1, 2, 3, major third, and a minor. 1, 2, 3 half steps, or 2 notes in between 1, 2. F, A, C. This is our subdominant chord in the key of C major, and it is also called an F major chord because the F is a root of that chord. F, A, C. Now let's play this chord with left and right hands together. F, A, C. Use fingers 1, 3, 5, or 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Let's play it again, 3 notes at the same time. And once again. Very good. And now with the dominant chord, or a 5 chord, also in C major. It is located on the 5th degree of a scale at G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th degree of a scale, G. It is also a major chord, GBD. It has major third as well, from G to B, and a minor third from B to D. And this is our dominant chord in the key of C major, and it is also called a G major chord because it has a G as the root of that chord. Now let's play it with 2 hands using fingers 1, 3, and 5 on D. With the left hand, 1, 3, 5, or 5 on G, 3 on B, 1 on D. 3 notes at the same time in each hand. GBD, and once again. Very good. Now let's play 3 chords in a row, tonic, subdominant, and dominant. 1, 4, 5, or C major chord, F major chord, and G major chord. C major, C, E, G. F major chord, F, A, C. G major, G, B, D. And then C major chord again. Good. Now play it with just your left hand. C, G, F, A, C, G, B, D. And back to C, E, G. Now we know our 3 basic chords. Let's learn Twinkle Twinkle Little Star that uses these 3 chords. Right hand will play a melody. In C major, the song starts on a C. We play C twice. 1, 2. Then we jump to G and play it twice as well. 1, 2. So, C, C, G, G. Then we go 1 step higher to an A and play it twice also. 1, 2. And then we go back to G and play it only once. 1. Let's play it from the beginning until this point. C, C, G, G, A, G. Let's do it again. Twice, 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 and then once. C, C, G, G, A, G. Then it is very simple. The melody continues going down step by step. F twice, E twice, D twice, and then C once. Twice, 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 once. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Once again on F, 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 E, E, D, D, C. Then in the middle part you repeat twice the following, starting on G. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. So G twice, F twice, E twice, D once. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So this part repeats. So you will play it twice. Now let's play it from the beginning up until this point, starting on C. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, C. Then going to G, 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 F, F, E, D. Once again, G, G. And now the ending is the same as the beginning, starting on C. Now maybe you've noticed then when you play note just once, you hold it for the same amount as if you were to play it twice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this note 1, but count until 2. 1, 2, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this note once, but count until 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now with the D, play it once, but count until 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, now let's play the entire song once again, starting on C. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, C, G, G, F, F, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, D, C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, D, D, C. Very good. Now we will connect the melody that you just played in your right hand with chords with left hand, which we played at the beginning of this lesson. Together with the C in the melody, we will play a tonic chord, or one chord, or simply a C major chord. 1, 2. Then play the same chord in your left hand when your right hand plays G. Then when right hand goes to A, your left hand will switch to another chord, a subdominant, a 4 chord, or just an F major chord. And you will play a C major chord again with G in your right hand. Let's play this much. Let's play again. then left hand will switch chords every time you play a different note in your right hand. F major chord with an F in right hand. C major chord with an E in right hand. Dominant chord or a 5 chord or a G major chord with a D in right hand. We'll play that chord in a lower octave, GBD here, instead of GBD here, because we need to play D, and your D will be in the same space with the chord, and we don't want that. So right here, GBD, twice D, and then we play C major chord with C in right hand. Let's play this much with 2 hands, starting on F. Once again, on F with F major chord, F, F, C major chord, E, E, G major chord, D, D, C major chord, C. Now let's play from the beginning. C, C, G, G, F major chord, A, C major chord, G, F major chord, C major chord, G major chord, C major chord. The middle part starts on G with a C major chord, then F major chord with an F, C major chord again with E, and G major chord with a D. Then you repeat same thing. C major chord, F major chord, C major chord again, and then G. Let's play it again, twice. The last part is the same as first. C major chord with C and G, F major chord with an A, C major chord again with G, F major chord with F, C major chord, G major chord, and a C major chord with the final C. Now let's play the entire song with chords. C, C major chord. Very good job today, you learned a lot. This completes our 4th lesson. Thank you very much for your time with me today. Next time I will show you how music notes are notated on the music staff. I hope to see you here again. Goodbye.